Good morning, traders. Cryptocurrency market. Thursday morning, we got the Monero under our microscope here, and this is really one of those cases where I probably don't need to say anything, and the picture is so profound and it's so self-explanatory that I could just show you the chart and you can see everything for yourself, right? But I'm going to talk about it anyway, just to make sure that you're following me. This is what we were waiting for, guys. Monero, we're still having this bullish position, and we got so encouraged by what we've seen here yesterday. It's such a technical behavior that's really impressive stuff. We were waiting for that encounter of price against that neckline, this time from below. Right, so when we flipped over after a very successful bearish campaign, by the way, really one of a kind, because we were able to snipe the very last point here at 71.75, and then we flipped over because we knew that we were kind of playing out here a technical downside correction that should be ending at this area. So we went for it. And we flipped over, established a bullish position, but our main purpose, the main goal was to reach that neckline, and only if price will break that neckline, only then we will begin to engage with a big size position, right? Because up until that point, we were apprehensive, so to speak. We felt that price may be just having an upside correction, kind of coming back to retest the neckline from below, find it as a strong resistance, and come back on the downside. Now, I think what happened here yesterday kind of proved that that's not going to be the case, right? Because let's have a closer look, guys. This is really interesting stuff. I mean, 3 days ago, for the first time, price had managed to cross over that neckline. And then, take a look, so interesting. The following day, price landed on that neckline, slightly spiked it, and managed to close right on top of it. However, above it, slightly. Then, right, now we're talking about yesterday, which was a key day for us. I believe that's a very important event. Price was starting the day on the downside, and it went far. It went pretty far, but at some point it made a huge U-turn and went all the way back, left that spike there, right, just to show us how much respect it pays that neckline. So that neckline is here, and it's real, and it's a strong support, guys. That's what it seems to be from this point on, and that's an important piece of information, right? Because that allows us to engage with a bigger size position. That allows us to have a bigger position and feel comfortable about it, right? Have the confidence to carry on with a big size position. Now, I want to remind you, the target that we have here is fairly ambitious. We are still looking at the same old price target represented by the Fibonacci 23.6% correction, the first Fibonacci correction of the major downside trend that ran across 2018. So price, it did get close to it, not that close though. It reached 120. We're talking about 140. So we feel that price should be prepared now to land a strike and move basically straight up all the way there. After this downside correction we've had over the last, basically over June and July, right? There should be no more significant corrections such as this one until we reach our final destination. So from a medium to long-term perspective, guys, this one is a promising looking trading opportunity, right? Now we have adjusted our stop loss level quite significantly. Now that the neckline had proved to be, a strong support, we can use it and you know, we can use it as our protection key level. So there you go. So now our stop loss, our new stop loss level is at 80, and that's pretty much the case. That's pretty much it about the Monero. We'll have to come back and follow up on this one, guys. See you in the next video. Take care.